Hi, James from Window Cleaning Gear. Today I'm just going to be doing a demonstration on the 18-foot glass fibre telescopic pressure washer lance. Just got it out of the box here. In the kit you get the nozzle attachment for the quick release nozzles. You get two fittings, the M22 which you can use on these sort of hoses, which is the Karcher, and the quick release which I'm using today, which is already in the end. I've put that in already. Best to use PTF tape just to give it that extra seal. So here we go, I'll put it all together and then give you a demonstration outside the unit using one of our pressure washers. So, as you can see, I've got the pressure washer all set up outside the unit, lance in hand, hose connector, quick release, as I said before, that's the end that I prefer to use. So just connect that onto the bottom of the pole, ready to extend the lance. And just two things, first put your nozzle in the end. I'm going to use a white one, which is a widespread. Click that into the end. Just to say that on the brackets, just do not over tighten when you're going to tighten them up at the length that you want. So we'll extend the first one, second one, bearing in mind this is an 18-foot pole. We do them in 24-foot lengths in glass fibre. Also up to about 47 foot in hybrid or carbon fibre pole, which is obviously lighter but more expensive. So I'm ready to go. Start the power washer. As you can see from the bit of cleaning that I did there on the side of the building, does a very good job, and I think for 110, 120 pounds, depending on what size pole you get, it's a good bit of kit and should earn you money from the day that you purchase it.